Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about the best free video editing app for iPhone, and that's CapCut. So let's get started. So basically guys, CapCut is indeed a popular video editing app for iPhone users. It offers a range of features and tools for editing videos right on your device. Some of its key features include user-friendly interface, editing tools, effects and filters, music and sound effects, and export options. So CapCut provides a wide range of effects, filters, stickers, and text options to enhance your videos and add creative flair. You can add music, tracks, or sound effects to your videos directly from the app's library or import your own audio files. CapCut provides an intuitive and user-friendly interface, making it accessible for beginners and experienced editors alike. So it offers a variety of editing tools such as trim, split, merge, adjust, speed, add music, filters, transitions, and more. So overall guys, CapCut is praised for its versatility, ease of use, and the range of features it offers, making it one of the best video editing apps for iPhone users. If you are looking to edit videos on your iPhone, it's definitely worth giving CapCut a try. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.